Here is a tutorial on how to cover a calabash cake. You're going to be starting with baking your cake in a ball pan. And when it's done, you're going to place the two of them together, then trim the sides to remove the excess from the sides. In it, you're going to be needing an acetate sheet because it's bent and it's very flexible. I used a dowel rod to hold the middle of this cake so I could do my smoothing very well. Then I used a steamer to steam it because I kept it for a while and the crumb coat had dried before I use the blanket method to cover. This is the part that you know the importance of a stretchy fondant, because you have to stretch it out to pull down so that it's going to lap to the body. After covering, I proceeded to making the mouth of the calabash. You're just going to pick up a fondant, roll it, and try to roll it into a log. Make the base of the log to be slimmer than the top of it. Then I used a smaller rolling pin to create a little hole in the middle while trying to smoothen it too. Then I created a hole on the calabash and I used a skewer to hold the mouth to the main calabash and I pushed it in. Using my spray bottle, I sprayed the gold color on the calabash and that's it.